I swear just come over your class, him can never, all him can say, me no love my put them, but him can't say, me no mind them, but mind legacy. You know what everybody means, but you know what everybody means, but you don't know what pitney maintenance. 5,000 like your mind woman. 5,000 like your mind pitney. 10,000 like your mind pitney. Go give your baby mother money and come out of my business. Because you work up on Jeffries last time. Go say, oh, and Akeem now want Rosealee. But yet, ass. Now I give you the pass, no meme. Triple X me, I wait till later, I come for you. Me wait till later, I come for you. I don't feel like so you're talking I make her last night. Me I gonna let you off of the hook. Don't feel like say lady in the breast. Lady with the too long breast them like myself. Lady with the too long breast them like myself. No me so come for you.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set. We're blessed. You also know the story incomplete. I've made it up on the beat and it can't see. Pan on the screen. Yeah, there's a whole heap going on in dancehall right now. As you can see, Rosealee is responding to Triple X. Cause you know him, I look close after the girl and all of this stuff. With the post for him video on my dancehall story channel. You see what I say? But before we get into Rosealee, I dig into skin boy, people should deal with the teeth away, you know. I don't know if she had throw shades at Diamond, but she mentioned the bucket thing, you see me I say. But before we get into that, I just want to let you know, say Rosealee kids and her baby daddy is out of the system. You see me I say. The youths them is not back in the parents' possession. I think of the grandmother of them or whatever, whatnot, you see me I say.
My baby's coming back to me. My babies are home. My babies are home.
Them do come back, but them mother get them. And me get them back neither. So we still have to try work and get them back in a well, in my custody. Me want them.
But nevertheless, people, let's hear what go on with the bagger, you see. Because Rosealee is not holding back, she's exposing, you know, the big users them. You see what I say? So that's like and share the video from now on our social media platforms and let's hear what go on for that's going on. You see?
You like likes, that's why you go foreign, go lose a visa over a crab leg. You like call up my name in a party, I go circle the score with you. Cause the toe got stretch out to a big wall and shake it. Cause me a TikTok I select and I call up my name in a party. Cause all of my pumpkin skirt them clean. And when me got party in my pumpkin skirt, me buy liquor. Me not take up people liquor for table. You licky, you bend up. I choose Akeem and free make your friend him. Cause you no select a boy like when man mine, you know. Me a wait till later for class, yo. You think me done with you? But don't even start. That you can't tell me the truth of your teeth. I go to Panama, I never thief. I walk up my $1,500 US. I spend my money. You can't tell nobody about accountability because your teeth. Nobody will walk with why. Why with that cooking letter can't tell me about accountability? Because I don't walk on teeth. I'm not hungry. If money pull up no pay a party, you don't eat. And that's why you want. And that's why your party them want to keep it every Friday, so you can use him and steal him out in America. So I'm not going to nobody no one because I'm steal. Come in and make go steal out my image. You're mad. You can't pay me. Huh? That's why you're in a Akeem. Run from Rosealee because you can use her and promote make every Friday for him steal out. When you want to find Akeem, you can find him down America. Steal. Don't run print me, I'm coming for you tomorrow. I'm coming for you. The world now gonna make I just the truth. Make a can't steal me out. I'm gonna come and party. I rarely go out. Me not steal out myself in Jamaica. So I'm gonna road them can ball out. Rosealee! Me not steal out myself in Jamaica. I am live. Crazy? If you want to go to Jamaica, wait till tomorrow. Wow, when they run my soak. Cause big. Man will stop peace by doing him at 19. You come out. Your blood a weak. Man, when you're 19, I stop piss bed. Dirty triple X. Me have two breasts at front and two breasts at back alike. Akeem like tickers. Akeem same like tickers. Tickers him same like. Some don't know where your hurry come and go. Oh. But me I wait till later. Me I wait. Coming out there, Jamaica. And my friend say one Rosealee, I run up your mouth. Me not in America, she supposed to can say one Rosealee. Me not in America. My friend supposed to can hold the mic and say one Rosealee. Like come and say one attitude. Yeah, the people them say you drink out them liquor last night. And I pay money, that's what you want the boy them at the party, you like sweets. Me and you later thinking X. You like man things. You like man. You big and stink like. You come like bass up and foot. Which germs this? You see what we get to the Friday? Eh? I should not take no accountability. Me not have no mug shot. You got foreign got thief and want to tell me about accountability. Me not have no mug shot. Nobody ever beat me in England, so you want to call up my name every minute in a dance. Me not have no mug shot. Nobody ever beat me in England. Stinking man. Nyam fuck man. So cool. Lick out body bite and through. Come punch rest by your stomach. Come punch rest by your stomach. Me look like somebody have mug shot. Me gonna got teeth. Take accountability for who none bad. Look how you got states got teeth. Me could have walk. Me could have fly the whole 52. The 58 state them in America got teeth. One crab leg. You're hungry. And that is what it shows. So you got fire and got teeth. Me and a knock caliber run right in my draw. You're hungry. Cause I said me the guy make a last night. Ask Akeem have my money for buy my liquor. And him know. Don't ramp with me. I come class later. Oh? I come touch you. Come notice when you come and see me and that boy, you know, want to see me and the blood clot boy. You know, want to see me and him for some reason. You know, want to see me and him for some blood clot reason. Him like, something wrong. You know, want to see me and him. You want to take him out, go steal him out in America. For when money, when and drink him out. I want him steal out when nobody use him. When you forget, when you couldn't call me. Oh, come me no like uno. Me go clap. You want come to me a big and stink alike. Me a big and stink alike. You big and stink for man. When woman big it no look bad, but man big it stay very bad. Cause your belly cover your cocky. Gone up in a seed bag. You don't have nothing to pay him out. I say you use. Me still have my old and me go rip you up later. Watch me and you take me nice. Take me nice. Take me nice. Me go rip you up. Because sure don't call me name. Me say when woman big and stable, it no look bad. But when man big and stinky look bad. Cause the whole your cocky gone up in your blood clot belly. A pure seed bag I say you use. Pure seed bag I say you use. And when you're 19, I stop this bed triple X. Until me done with you, don't call up me name and throw no straight for me. Cause take accountability for the crab leg, the mug shot we have in America. I come eat out my all. Remember good. Remember when we go to America the last time, at $20,000 money pull up me give you. $20,000 money pull up me give you. And the first time I give me 5,000 put in your pocket, bat him and you like sweets. Big and stink like an or come up enough. And nose and go like your things. I come talk about diamond with the shit bucket. Eh? Diamond with the shit bucket. Wow. I say like you want to come stay. You know like woman. Diamond with the shit bucket with the little stinking so we pull a post. Running water, dirty man, pad short, mucus mouth, period blood up your mouth corner. Eh? Period, mouth they put your mouth corner. No call up diamond name. Cause shit we shit in a boy mouth like you cause you're a waste man. Wait till a man, cause one by one, the whole of the TikTok go up the hill. Come here, send for the dogs and watch where you. You lick in a blood clot, you poison. No triple X me attack. Till me done with him. That must say one thick cause of that blood clot say. Our blood clot wa. You come talk about and underneath telling a friend accountability. The way you when you got teeth in a Walmart, you fear friend they tell you accountability. Who got fire got teeth $1? Who got fire got teeth? The first flight me take a Panama, me gonna 1,500 US me walk with. I'm done in a 2 days come back at me yard. Take a first class flight, come home, come eat up my hole. Around problem, I come back here tomorrow, come in done. Want to get 2 good sessions out of days. I like call up my name. Mecca, you still have careless triple X in a plug, I select out. You go look somebody good. You see triple X, a licky, sweetie ball, piss pan, shit pan, woman poop, jaws washer. Now no toe back, now no belly bottom, now no toe. Stink for me, I'm teeth corner, the wisdom part. Stink for me, the teeth, wisdom teeth part, I saw. Stink. Chat will look too live goal. The house of trouble, I'm not trouble. A long time, I'm up, I'm blood clot trouble. Clout to one, clout to shall blood clot dead. So I wait till you come tell me, say, Akeem, no, I'm going to take your hand again. Because that's how I'm going to tell me, I'm going to class, you know. Yes. Because I know, you know, it's if I'm say, when in our day, I'm gonna make her with Diamond and Akeem come on the next the Saturday and talk, and then I see him come on the Sunday, and then I see you come on, I know you are tutor in 9 years. I don't like put battery in a man back and program them. Because him too young and naive, una use him clout to make money off him a Friday night time. How you don't have no name? I don't want to look at him when him get to help himself. You don't want to ruin it. Him go steal out himself and make him a Friday night like him a idiot. The one look at him, remember him go steal out himself and make him like him a blood clot mascot. Make a camp him because something in the blood clot club. Him want a tampad. Triplex you want a brazier and a tampad. And a stop leak. One for the 2 hole where you have. You want a stop lick for your mouth, and you want a tampad for your bottom. You want a trini brazier. Man barrel. Big and stink na blood clot. And sour like lime. And slippery like okra. And insipid like the soup of my cook one day. Stinky chancro. Dog bed. I hate the dirty man, you see. I can't stomach the big dirty bullfrog. Jonah Weir, Miss Puff, Lady Guyana. Thinking mouth, sore foot, bassa teeth, cold, flu. Me na my bed. Come on, sleep. Me na my bed fast on the party like any TikToker. Cause when me done TikTok and when me do TikTok and I turn troll in the night. Me a troll like everybody's a fast up walk keeping at the party. You come and call up my blood club. Put respect for my name. Say Miss Rosealee Batty boy. Cause I never got a friend got teeth yet. I'm not hungry. And the reason why I'm lock up your teeth more than 1,000 out of Walmart. I couldn't know one problem make him lock you up. Your teeth more than 1,000. Because when the teeth when the teeth under 1,000, you can't continue the teeth. Until you pass 1,000, them will lock you up. So your teeth over 1,000. That's why them lock up your stinking blood clot. No stinking triple X me attack. The whole flour bag. All flour me dirty bag. The lady who want the brazier me attack. The man was chef. The dirty man who anything breast them sour like lime. He me attack. Cause he mess me trouble him last night. Him stop piss bed. He me attack. Oh. The too enough. The job stand by them little later. You're welcome to it up and drink it with your hungry self. I TikTok you want for mine, yo. With a piece of shit in your mouth. You look over your blood clot cocky. You have to lift it up for fuck again. Ugly to watch me, yo. Rapping. But mama big pussy wall, but mama big twin watch me, yo. Your belly cover your cocky. Go find your cocky. Yeah, yo, tomorrow. Your belly cover your cocky. Go look for your cocky. Or opposite the woman come from my life, come bust it. The E.T. Achalalala. Me and you tomorrow come done with it. Me no want to spoil me evening. The too enough. The too enough. Dirty sweat tag. You want go in the sun go dead. Cause when I go in the sun it dead quick. Ag in the sun. Me and you tomorrow. Ag in the sun. Pig in a blanket. Sore foot pan. Sore pan foot. Bassa in a toenail. 10-day cabbage water. Remember, me don't know no friend, I don't know no family no way. Me know the Akeem party, I call up my blood clot. Me can't rest. It no rest in your throat back. Attitude say one Rosealee across the board. That should say. I watch me have more name more than you. But oh, you need to tell accountability. Come suck out the accountability out of me. Count it with ability. Chankro. Come bite out the accountability out of me. Count it with ability. Dog shit. Come you wear pumpkin skirt and you wear frock. And pad. So when me any day you see me stop wear skirt, at the same day you gonna stop wear pad. And to me know you not stop wear pad triple X, me not stop wear my pumpkin skirt them. Me and you earlier man, you can't even start yet. Oh. Come eat me out, count it with ability. Chankro. Come on, know me take out the on our teeth. You puss. You are wild with a cookie let old puss. All skate fence, all jump in a house. I'll call window and door, can't have to bar them door. He's a thief. So you've got to take accountability. I mean, I walk on thief. I never thief nothing yet. Me not convict. A thief can teach me. You can't teach me as a thief. Eh? You can't teach me as a thief. Your mug charge come down from America yet? What you gonna teach me say he's a blood clot thief? Ain't thief never see thief with long bag. Because you know see you know want me to run the blood clot, but I can't want have him and make her use him for a little bit and cheapens. And steal him out and make her with 3 and 4 and 5 and 8 people, you know. I pay Scooby-Doo away, bomb drop. Like in their things on Friday night time. So when them don't want to pull up, I can drink out tight and yam out tight and sleep out tight and that type of thing. But and I push on all saga up on them all flame, all country bunk and tough toe girl will breed out have all 18 pitney. 18 pitney chicken gunya and all of the blood clot time them chicken gunya breed out a happy in a chicken gunya, red pack season, monkey pops, COVID, all type of season them get they want to show up on him.
Yes, put in the comment section if you think she did a good job. And if you didn't, well, she's going to be back at it. You know, after them, they go Swiss League party and enjoy themselves and all of this stuff. It's a mass. Like I said, we uploaded Triple X part on the Dancehall Story channel. But at the end of the day, people, one big using thing did a go on. This is mass. Rosealee catch feelings, but one big using thing did a go on. This is mass. People, follow me on TikTok because you know I'm going to be going live talking about these topics. You know, Rosealee, World Dog, everything that's trending. You see, I say I'm kind of late to my show. I should have been there between 8 p.m. and 12 a.m. Florida time speaking, to given that time zone speaking. But I'm going to be heading over there soon. I'm just going to yam some food and fill my belly, then fill my brains, and with some black roses. So do the right thing. Yeah. Subscribe to all of my platforms, then turn on the notification bell and press all day for you to be notified whenever we're just still dropping the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossip. This is my answer. Bless.